Let's update the jump script to play some animation. Just need to add a reference to the animator component and reference the jump animator state hash ID. We will be using the hash ID to play animations. After that, update the onEnable function to play the animation, like so.